And we have our, oh my God, another good looking guy. Hi, what's your name?
Hayo. Hayo.
Hayo. Hayo.
Ayaw Pilipino?
Filipino half.
Half? Gago to ah. Half Pilipino, half Bisaya.
Ano totoo?
Totoo ba?
Filipino half.
Wapo ka sana kasumukha.
German. Ang gwapo niya.
Oo.
Ang sarap.
Oo.
Your wife is
Your
there,
wife.
right?
So,
What's her name?
housewife after that.
Ano housewife after? House life, tama, hindi housewife after. Your wife is there. Hi, nice meeting you. Hi, you. Yeah, you're good. Ay, dalawa nga pala.
Ay, sabay.
Ang sarap niya, te. Ang ganda. Punyeta, sasangla ko namin kung naging jowa ko.
Dami. Pag natikman namin yan, itutuba ko pamilya ko talaga.
How young are you, if you don't mind?
I'm 38.
38.
You are 30. Oh my, really? You look like
37. Gago. And it's 30 today.
You only look something like 28 or 29. You look young on your face, yeah. What do you do here? You're working?
I'm working in a warehouse.
Warehouse. You are in your house? Where is your house? Warehouse. Warehouse.
Anyway.
What do you do there?
I don't know how to chat.
It's okay. No, it's okay. Just calm down, okay? It's not just calm down.
We'll accommodate you, okay?
Yeah. Whatever we touch or try to, we
We
will
will have to
pay.
pay.
Okay? Yeah. Whatever it's done, yeah, we're gonna pay for that.
Okay, look at his pants.
What?
It is original.
Yeah, I think the pants is
You know
original.
what? The linings is good. Let's check it. No, I'm just explaining that. This pants is very original.
Yeah.
And the lining,
Oo, kasi ano na. No, we're just kidding.
gusto ko yung linings eh.
Oh,
You know what
yeah,
is-
wait. You have kids already?
Yep. No?
Yeah.
Not yet.
How long you been together?
12 years.
12 years? No kids? Oh my God. Akin na kasi ibang butas mo na mapasok.
Siguro!
Akin ba kayo magtalik sa madaling araw, ha?
Kasi,
Kasi ihi ang lumabas niya.
no, but she's pretty. Yeah, and you're good looking. Yeah, I like your eyes and your nose. Everything
Ayan.
you look
I have a
so...
question. Do you have experience like us? No? Today is your lucky day. Do you want to see your father?
Pumunta ko, te. What's her name, your wife?
Lady.
Lady. Oh, yeah, because she's a
Lady, yeah.
Lady in
She's a
red!
lady guard.
Anyway, hi you. Thank you so much for joining us here.
Yeah,
You're so
thank you.
good looking, okay? Alam mo talaga pag yung pagkaduwang Pilipino, mas marami. Iba yung ano, no? Tignan mo yung
Tama.
gwapo niya.
Ako yung-
You can be an artist in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can be, PBB house. Yeah, warehouse. Yeah. PBB warehouse.
Warehouse edition. Gago.
Sa warehouse siya dito. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you.
Sabay.
Ate, girl, ingat ka, girl.
Ate, wag ka mag-alala, palilibugin lang namin. Ikaw naman titirahin namin.